Explorers, Kitty the Explorer here, and today I'm going to take you on our first day of an adventure in Barcelona, Spain. Today we're going to go on a photo shoot with Airbnb Experience. Then we are going to go to La Sagrada Familia and then end the day with a cooking experience making paella. So make sure you stay tuned and enjoy this video. But first, if you have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. Videos are released on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And on my channel, I talk about all things travel, photography, and the environment. Now let's go catch a cab and head to our Airbnb Experience photo shoot. Let's start with our photo shoot that I found through Airbnb Experience. I am meeting my photographer here at Cathedral de Barcelona, and we actually started with photos here. So see some of the spots we took photos and some of my actual photos from the shoot. So I hope you can hear me, but my photo shoot is finished. It was really nice. Mabel was excellent. I'll leave the link down in the description box. So now I decided to walk, since I have time, to La Sagrada Familia. Hopefully I can pick up something to eat nearby. So let's go. Wind is insane. You know, it's crazy that someone approached me asking me how to get to their Arc de Triomphe. And I'm like, why does people always want to ask me for directions? But anyway, so I made it to La Sagrada Familia, which you see behind me right there. Yes, yes. And my entry time is at 1. You have to buy tickets and select the entry time, and it will be an audio tour. So you have to bring your headphones and take pictures inside and all that stuff. So we'll be going inside shortly. So let's go and finish taking some pictures here. So I am finally inside the Sagrada, and the building has been under construction for forever, and it's still under construction. Yeah, let's continue. This is the Nativity facade, which is a unique part of the Sagrada Familia because it was directly built by Gaudi himself. And there are 3 edges that make up the facade. The first edge is the central hallway, or the charity hallway, and it is divided into 2 different entrances by a column that supports statues of Jesus, Mary, Joseph, and angels. The second edge is the Hope hallway situated to the left, which is a lot more small than the central one, and it has 1 doorway to enter. And the third edge is the Faith hallway, which is situated to the right of the central one, with similar dimensions as the left hallway. With that said, let's head through the Hope hallway on the left and enter La Sagrada Familia and see what it looks like on the inside. So some quick information about visiting La Sagrada Familia. I booked the audio guided tour, which was 26 euros for entry, but you could pay €1 more for a guided tour. And they also have rates for group tours that you can check out on their website. But if you do the audio tour, make sure you download the app in advance and make sure you bring headphones with you to your visit. Also, you must enter at your time of entry. They will not let you enter any earlier. You have to enter at your time or within the grace period, which I believe is 15 to 30 minutes after. So you have 15 to 30-minute window to enter after your ticket time starts. You will also have to go through a security checkpoint upon arrival, and they will check your bags and you will go through a metal detector. Now enjoy the rest of La Sagrada Familia. Now that we have finished touring La Sagrada Familia, let's catch a free now cab and head back to the hotel. Now let's go cook paella at the Paella Club. I had a hard time getting here because I needed to arrive during rush hour during a rainy season event. But I made it a little late and they gave me a glass of cava as soon as I walked in and they refilled the cava all night. Now let's get to cooking.
Here we have meat paella. Here we have vegetarian paella, and here we have seafood paella.
Now guys, you can tell that we have cooker ingredients to the point. It started to dehydration to the point of the egg.
Thank you.
Just say hey crust.
Here are all of the different paellas, well, not all of them, but a few of the different paellas that the other people in the class cooked. So this is a vegetarian one, and then here is another vegetarian one. There was also 2 seafood dishes and a pork. Now here's the traditional way they make their bread. You rub it around with tomato and put salt on top.
Yeah.
I'm concerned it's burning.
I am too. Okay, what is happening? All the paellas were delicious, but I really love mine because I love chicken. It was perfect for me. And we all ate and tried each other's paellas as we sat here at the table. And then we were served a wonderful dessert, traditional dessert. They also gave us the cookbook so we can make the paella at home. So I can't wait to try it. So today was a great day, and we are headed back to the hotel. All right, explorers, I'm back in my hotel room, and it was a wonderful time today. I have truly enjoyed Barcelona so far. And the Paella Club, if you could not tell, was amazing. It is a must must-stop place if you're ever in Barcelona. Like, you must go there. Airbnb experience Photoshoot in Maple was incredible. The La Sagrada Familia was wonderful as well. I can't wait to see, or at least see, the progress. Who knows how long it's going to take for the construction to finish, since it's been under construction for like over a century. But it's nice to see that they are still carrying out Gaudi's work. But it's also crazy that he was killed by being ran over by a tram. That's terrible. The one thing that did suck is that this time of year in November in Barcelona, it rains a lot. I went to Paris in November. It rained, but not like this. It was like a tsunami. Otherwise, Barcelona has been amazing. It gives me a little bit of Parisian vibes. Even the Airbnb experience host earlier, she was saying that a lot of things were copied off of Paris and the architecture, including the Arc de Triomphe, if you didn't notice that earlier. It was like Arc de Triomphe, like in Paris. So they tried to emulate the one in Paris here in Barcelona, which is cool. But I'm exhausted, so I am going to go get my life together, and then see you tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks, because someone you know may be planning a future trip to Barcelona. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.